Welcome to day 26 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched literally days 1 through 25, please make sure that you guys go back and watch them. It's so many things that you could be missing. We're on day 26, which is still a beginning if you think about it. You guys, we have 75 days total. This is still at the beginning. So if you guys have not watched days 1 through 25, please go back and do them. The playlist will be here for you. You're not missing much, okay? You are missing some, but you're going to eventually go to that. Let me make sure I make that clear. But for people that's actually on day 26, today we're talking about the difference between like credit card lates and your loans. So I always think about it like this. I already told y'all late payments hurt every single month that you continuously be reported late, right? But the difference between a credit card and a loan is this. Credit cards is also attached to your utilization. So utilization, we already talked about utilization is like 30% of your credit score. So late payments is 35, utilization is 30% of your credit score. So when you guys are late, you got that 35% that's being affected, plus you got your utilization being affected. Because now when you add that late payment on there, the late payment fee, should I say, when they add that fee on there, your credit card balance is going up too. So you got like a double whammy happening here. So I want you guys, when you think about your late payments, hopefully you already sent out letters for your late payments, but we need to talk about too, what if they don't remove it the first month? You need to think about going forward also what you're going to do for the next few months to make sure that these are being removed. Think about the ones that's more recent, and then really make sure that you're not playing about these late payments for your credit cards, especially when it comes down to your utilization. So you can call your credit card servicer and ask them to actually remove that late payment fee from there. Some of them would be opted to actually, they'll be happy to actually remove those late payment fees, but if you don't ask, you should not receive it. So make sure that you all ask and to get those late payment fees removed, because that's really the biggest thing. And tomorrow we're going to talk about the fixed auto loan late payments and credit card late. Y'all, they're all late payments. They're all going to continuously hurt you, especially if it's every single month back to back. If you make it a habit and it's being persistent in terms of being late, it's all going to hurt you. I wouldn't say the same, but it's all going to hurt you. It's just that utilization going to be the biggest factor. So make sure that you all are just being persistent with y'all letters. Y'all making sure that y'all are current on your accounts. And then if you have any questions in regards to what about this, what about that, leave it in the comments. And then make sure that you guys have the 3-book bundle. I put them back in stock by now. You guys should actually see that they are back in stock by now. They were out of stock for a while. I don't know how long the supply that I have is going to last. So please make sure that you guys take full advantage of that. If you do not see the orange shopping cart down below, I'm sorry, but if it's there, y'all better get them books before they actually sell back out. I was sold out for quite a while, so please make sure you guys take full advantage of that, okay? And if you guys haven't already did your 6 months of letters, don't forget you guys have that. Stay persistent. Stay persistent with your letters. Like, that's what's going to get y'all where y'all need to go. You literally need to ask. If you never ask, they're not going to think, oh, Rickita got a late payment here, let me help her remove it. Or, oh, she got a late fee here. No, the system is automatically giving you that late fee. You need to call them, talk to an actual person, and get that stuff removed, okay? And when it comes out to your late payments, you need those letters. So I will see you all for day 27.